Today we've got a 70 Roadrunner brought to us by a lady. Her father bought this car brand new. It's a 383 3-speed on the floor with a painted black roof. So it's a pretty cool car. We fixed the radiator in it, had it record, tuned it up, fixed some wiring issues, and fixed the horn, and it's good to go. As you can see, the car is pretty plain Jane. It's got no air conditioning, it's got manual drum brakes, small radiator, manual steering. This car had Kragers on it back when it was practically new, and the lady put 17-inch wheels on it to kind of update the looks of the car for 2022. The owner of this car actually puts a lot of miles on it. I think it looks pretty cool with the black painted top, and the horn sounds neat.